Here the problem reads, Shivani's class was planning a luncheon and decided to set up a salad bar. They took a survey to find their classmates' favorite salad toppings. This is how the class voted. And we have a table that shows favorite salad toppings, and there are 5 salad toppings. And then in the second column, it shows how the class voted on each of the salad toppings. So in our bar graph, we're to use this data to make a bar graph, and we're asked to be sure to include a title that tells who and what the graph is about, a scale that fits the data, all the categories, a label for the scale, and a label for the categories. Well, let's work through these in order. A title that tells who and what the graph is about. Well, let's go back to the title of this table, favorite salad toppings, and let's go ahead and use that for our title, favorite salad toppings. So that's the title. Well, now that we've done the title, let's work on a scale that fits the data. And if we look at the numbers here, you see they range from 3 at the lowest to 6 at the highest. So if we start at 0, then for the scale we could go up by 1s. And then we can keep going up beyond 6. And just label all the way to the top. Okay, so that takes care of the title and a scale that fits the data. And now all the categories. Well, the categories are the types of salad toppings. So I'm going to quickly bring these in. Broccoli, and then carrots, and then the next one down is cheese, and then cucumbers, and then tomatoes. Looks like these are all in alphabetical order. Okay, and so now we've done all the categories. Now a label for the scale. So this is the number of kids that like this topping. So let me bring that in. The number of kids that like this topping. That takes care of a label for the scale. And then finally a label for the categories. Well, these are kinds of toppings. So let's label that here. And now we've done all of these pieces, but what we haven't done yet is actually make the bars. So let's see. For broccoli, the bar is going to need to go up to 3. So here is up to 3. So we can certainly make this wider if we want to, but that's fine. We'll go ahead and shade that in. And optionally, we can put a 3 up above that. And then we'll do something similar for carrots. Carrots goes way up to 5, though. What might be nice is I'm kind of shaky when I do this, and it doesn't look great. So what I could do, I could get a straight edge. So I'll do that here. For carrots, I'm going up to 5. And then I can draw like so. Maybe I can do a little better than that last one. Okay. But actually, it's not really critical that they be perfect. So let's do cheese just going up to 4. We could certainly make these bars wider if we wanted to. We don't have to. The thing we may want to be consistent about is if we're going to start labeling at the top the height, so then this is 3, then this would be 5, this would be 4, and then we have 6 for cucumbers, which is up here. Okay, so we'll label that 6. And then tomatoes goes up to 4. Shade that in like the others and write a 4 there. So let's just double check. Broccoli 3, carrots 5, cheese 4, cucumbers 6, and tomatoes 4. So it looks like we've done everything. We've got the title, we've got the scale, the categories, labels for the scale and categories, and all of the bars have been drawn correctly. And again, the only thing we could do a little bit differently if we wanted to would be to say to make each of these perhaps wider if we wanted to, like so. But again, this is not critical, so you can do it either way. But I just thought I would go ahead and show another way that the bars could be drawn a little bit wider.